Welcome back to our podcast. In our last episode, we explored customs, the hidden driver of international moving timelines. Now, we arrive at the most visible stage, packing. Packing is when time becomes real. At SDC International Shipping, our approach to packing is methodical and calm. We see it as a bridge between the planning and logistical phases, a step that requires both technical precision and emotional readiness. Because here's the truth. Once packing begins, every decision solidifies. What's going into storage, what's being sold, what's being shipped, those choices can't stay flexible forever. And when packing is scheduled late, all those decisions collapse into one compressed window. That's when stress peaks. When packing is planned early, it creates structure and calm. It transforms a potentially chaotic week into a predictable sequence. Our professional international packing team uses industry-certified materials designed for long-haul ocean and air freight. Fragile art gets custom crating. Electronics are moisture sealed. Furniture is disassembled, protected, and documented. But the real magic lies in the inventory list. This list is your shipment's passport, a detailed record of every item packed, categorized, and valued. This is the document that custom officials, insurers, and destination handlers all rely on. Every box label, every photo, every description matters. That's why our crews prepare inventories in sync with our documentation department. Before the box is taped, our coordinators verify that custom requirements, valuation records, and shipping categories match perfectly. That ensures your move doesn't just look organized, it is organized. From a logistics standpoint, packing dates affect everything downstream, from container loading to vessel scheduling. If your packing date shifts later, your shipment may miss a sailing window, pushing your delivery weeks out. But if packing is aligned early, everything downstream stays smooth. So how early should you set your packing date? Ideally, once your custom documentation is confirmed and your inventory is 80% finalized. That way, packing becomes an execution step, not a decision-making frenzy. At SDC International Shipping, we see packing as more than a service. It's a turning point. Done right, it sets the tone for the entire relocation experience. Visit our website or call 877-339-0267 to learn more about preparing your international packing the right way.